Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to find locked chats on WhatsApp. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on WhatsApp app. Okay, then tap on locked chat. Then click and this person, then chat. Okay, then back, then click on this option, then press someone, then click unlock chat. Okay, face ID, then unlock, try another person, then click, then lock it chat, then continue. This person is locked, just click face ID and chat. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.